Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a little one who is transitioning from pre-K to kindergarten, but you want to keep them active over the summer, this awesome Brain Quest book is the perfect solution. So my son is going to be starting kindergarten soon. I wanted him to have fun while he kept working on the skills that he has already acquired so that he is ready to go right when kindergarten starts. This book comes with a really fun map that makes it exciting for my son to be able to complete each of his levels. I like that this book not only features letters and numbers, but it also talks about community, colors, spelling. It has so many different variety of activities that each one gets my son excited to complete his activity for the day. What's also really fun is this has outside quests. So we personally love getting to those because it allows us to do some experiments or activities outside and keeps it really engaging for my son. One of his favorite parts, of course, is putting the sticker on his map and then when we complete the level. There's such a variety in here that it is always fun for us to do, and it's something new and challenging. So if you're looking to reinforce those basic concepts in between preschool and kindergarten, then definitely go on an adventure and check out this Summer Brain Quest book. And that's just our point of view.